Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss different approaches in solving time and work questions. There are three approaches here. First one is unitary method, second one is LCM method, third one is efficiency method. We'll discuss each of them in detail with the help of a simple example. Sunil can complete a work in 20 days. Shyam can complete the same work in 30 days. In how many days the work will be completed if they work together? This is the basic question of time and work. How it is solved in applying unitary method. In unitary method, we consider the work to be 1 unit. It is unitary method means we assume the work to be 1 unit. Suppose if I can complete a work in say in 2 days, in 1 day how much work I can complete? So in 1 day we can do half the work because you are doing it in 2 days. If you can complete a work in 3 days in 1 day, we can do 1/3 work. Here the assumption is in time and work is that in each day the person does equal work. So first day half the work, second day half the work, it will be completed. Similarly, first day 1/3, second day 1/3, third day 1/3. So each day you can do 1/3 work. If Sunil can complete a work in 20 days, in 1 day Sunil can complete 1/20th work. Shyam can complete a work in 30 days. So in 1 day, how much he can complete? 1/30th. Now, both can complete in 1 day how much work? Both in 1 day can complete how much work? This much work is done by Sunil, this much is done by Shyam. So in 1 day, both together will complete 1/20 plus 1/30. LCM is 60. 23 is 32's. 5/60 or 1/12. 1/12 work is completed in 1 day. In 1/12 work is completed in 1 day. So in other words, the work will be completed in 12 days. So the number of days to complete the work is 12 days. Because in 1 day, 1/12 work is completed. So this is the unitary method. Same thing, whatever we have discussed in detail, in unitary method, there is a formula also. If the first person can complete the work in A days, second person can complete the work in B days, the work will be completed in, both can complete the work in how many days means it is AB by A plus B days. This is the formula. This comes from, instead of 20 and 30, if I apply A and B, we get this shortcut formula. You can see here 20 into 30 by 20 plus 30. It is 600 by 50, you get the same 12 days. This is unitary method. We are assuming the work to be 1 unit. But when you take a work as 1 unit, you get fractions here. To avoid fractions, we try to use LCM approach. In LCM approach, we take the work as a number which is divisible by the given numbers. We take the LCM of the given number of days, 20 and 30. What is the LCM of 20 and 30? What is LCM? The least common multiple. In other words, the least number that is divisible by both the given numbers. Hence, what is the least number that is divisible by 20 and 30 is 60. We assume the work to be 60 units. When we assume the work to be 60 units, it is, you will not get fractions here. If the work is 60 units in 1 day, Sunil can complete how many units? 60 units is the total work. He can complete the work in 20 days. In 1 day, he will do 60 by 20, 3 units. What about Shyam? Shyam will complete in 1 day. 60 units is the total work, but he will complete that in 30 days, means per day he will do 2 units. So both in 1 day will do 3 plus 2, 5 units. If both can complete 5 units in 1 day, to complete 60 units, how many days are required means number of days equals to 60 by 5, that is 12 days. Here we are trying to avoid fractions by taking the work as, instead of 1, a number that is divisible by both 20 and 30, right? The third approach, efficiency method. Here Sunil can complete work in 20 days, whereas Shyam can do it in 30 days. So Sunil can do the work in less time. So the same work, if Sunil can do in less time, means he is more efficient. So that is the reason we say if someone is more efficient, he will take less time. Someone is less efficient, he will take more time. So the efficiency and the number of days a person complete the work is inverse relation. So what is the ratio of efficiency here? The ratio of efficiency is nothing but, as I said, number of days and rather efficiency is inverse relation. So ratio of efficiency will be inverse of this 1 by 20 is to 1 by 30. The reason is number of days and efficiency are inverse related. If you simplify this, you get ratio is 3 is to 2. The ratio of efficiency of Sunil and Shyam is 3 is to 2. Let's consider Sunil now. Sunil with an efficiency of 3, he completes the work in 20 days. Now both means Sunil has 3 efficiency, Shyam has 2 efficiency, both will have 5 units of efficiency. If the efficiency is 5, how many days they take? As we discussed just now, efficiency and number of days are inverse related. Hence, their product should be constant. Whenever two variables are in inverse proportion, their product is constant. So 3 into 20 must be equal to 5 into whatever we have to find out. Let's say 5 fours. So the answer is 12. So they take 12 days. So this is the third approach. Here the basic point here is efficiency and number of days are inversely related, right? So like this we can approach the question in 3 different ways. Thank you.